Hmm.
Thanks.
Almost looking at you. Can't quite
That's
get it.
crazy.
So much of an angle here that
Yeah.
picture's not going to be quite as good.
Yeah, there's no such thing as a bad picture of your baby. Aww.
And turning away a little bit. See a little
You
bit
cooperate,
better.
son. Hmm.
There you can see it pretty decent.
They don't spike as much anymore now, do they?
It depends on what kind of angle you can get in different parts of the heart.
131.
And almost looks really good for a boy there.
Yeah.
See it right there?
Uh-huh.
This kind of moved, but a little bit right here.
Uh-huh. There's my
And
boy.
there you can see.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Little boy.
So that's about as 100% as you can get, I think. Huh?
Yeah.
It just verifies that it is Malachi.
Yeah.
Malachi?
Yep.
Malachi.